Usually, I get my book recommendations from my mentors, from my guides, or from expert readers out there. But this time, I was in a search of a different sort of book. I didn't want a philosophical book, right? This time I was in search of a principle based, crystal clear self help book. So I surfed through the internet and accidentally got through this book, that is I, the Career Carver, written by Mr. Shailesh Thakkar and Mr. Sunil Shah. This is a short read consisting of 96 pages, which you can finish off in 1 week. I'm saying 1 week because being a self help book, you shouldn't read it in one go. You can take it chapter wise and you can finish it in 1 week, right? This is not a philosophical book. This doesn't contain any narrative, any story, but a short principle, right? This makes the book more special. This is not only a one time read, but whenever you're facing any problem in your career, you can refer to this book again. Now what this book consists is, it consists of knowing yourself and marketing yourself, right? That's the key. Then key elements for career growth like resume writing, GD, interview, and how to open the key of the growth and carve your own career, because at the end you are the person who is going to carve your career. You can get the mentoring, you can get the guidance, but you have to act upon it. What makes this book authoritative is the profile of the authors. They have a huge experience in the industry and also in academics, which makes this book more authoritative and more bona fide. This book was written 10 years back, but still I have to say it hasn't lost its relevance, right? These kinds of book usually age with time and lost their relevance, but to be honest, when I read this book, all the concepts remain fresh to me, because you know basics never expire, right? So this book consists of rigid foundation, rigid basics, and I guarantee you, whenever in the future you are facing any problem related to your career, you can briefly refer to this book. Like you're facing a problem in writing a resume, refer to the chapter of resume. If you're facing a problem in facing interviews in GD, just refer to that chapter. If you're having a problem in analyzing yourself, analyzing your own mistakes, just refer to the first chapter, introductory chapter. So that's the beauty of this book. This is not only a one time read, but a lifetime investment, and that too at such a low cost. That is 150. You should invest in this book. I highly rate this book. I highly rate this book, and I would recommend you all to read this book. Thank you. I, Prajit Kabu, sign off for today. Thank you and have a nice day.